Hello everyone, Vicky here. Today's video we're gonna speak in my language. So I actually did the face reveal, so I'm showing my face right now. So I don't look good, or let's go hop and MM2. MM2. I look okay, let's go. Where's my... Oh, there we go. So we're in my... let's join him. He's like the YouTuber, right? So let's join him. What do you mean waiting for available server? There we go. So we can find him now. Find, not... I'm gonna speak in my language. Okay, guys. Nandito na tayo. Okay, phone tayo, guys. Hindi siya nag-join. Ayaw niya mag-join. Uy! Uy! He's so drippy. Drippy like the flush. Uy! Uy! Heat. Heat. Who's HTK? Oh my god. So cute. Oh my god. We're cracked in. Lagot tayo. Lagot tayo. Baka fake kidless lang yun.
Kuya,
Teka lang, tingnan
sawa
ko.
naman kayo kaka.
So yeah, let's go. Let's go to the round. And let's see what I get. Okay, innocent. What the hell? Ano nakuha ko? Uy, white lady. Uy! Naka-free car ako. Naka-free car kanina ako. Yarn. Paano ba tayo makakapasok? Hindi naman yun open. Oh. Mindset. Uy. Uy, co-murderer. 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 Promise ko sa inyo. Murderer yan. Murderer! That was the murderer. Oh my god. I mean, I already got everything, but oh yes, we're having a... Oh my god, we're never gonna get something good. Look, we're just gonna get a floral. Oh, I see the... Alice, 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 Alice. Uy, uy, uy. Nasaan na yun? Uy, fireworks. Uy, kinain mo. Ba't mo kinain? Takaw naman ng babae na yun. Ay! Ay! Nasaan na ba yun na lalaki na yun? Nasaan na yun? Kapal ng muka. Nasaan na yun? Baka nandito siya. Hello? Nandiyan ka ba? Hello? Nandiyan ka ba? Hello? Ah! Oh my god. Hindi ko alam bakit ako nag-i-English kanina. Hindi ko alam sa inyo. Hi, murderer. Didn't hesitate to kill me. Tingnan natin kung papatayin tayo. Uy, kala mo. Uy, kala mo pa. Akala mo. Oy, kala mo mapapatayin mo pa. Let's listen to what my brother is listening.
3 gigabyte, 2 minutes, and a body to pick up first tree. 150 pieces malaman sa ring. 5 Power Ranger. 3 gigabyte, 2 biggies and a body to pick up first tree. On the 60th piece.
Okay, done.
6 EQ bumpers.
Okay, that was my brother. Na. Kuya, hinaan mo nga. Okay. Hinaan niya na. Kuya, hinaan mo. Uy, so drippy. Dripping like the pee-pee. I'm kidding. Nede. Aku da todong hazuk buut saber. Okay. Kalbo ka? GG murderer. Kalbo ka? Guys, give me knife and gun. Please, I am noob. GG, GG. Roblox automatically changed what you finish. Innocent. Once again. Yay! Innocent. I love being like sheriff in this map because I love like clipping. Yeah. Kiniklip ko talaga ang mga tao dito sa beach resort. Kasi may ganyan na ayaw ko yan na emote. Patay ko tuloy ko kung murder lang sana patay na tuloy kita. Hindi ka nga dito. Gusto kita kung papatayin. Speed glitch muna tayo. Tingnan natin kung pwede tayo mag speed glitch. Teka lang mga guys. Kuya, ingay! Sino ka pa? Oh my god! Siya ba yun? Siya? Him. Bakla. Bakla? Ay! Ay! Nasaan yung sheriff? Ba't ayaw? Ayaw! Ay! Mama! Kamukha kang baboy. Ay! 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 Wag ka pupunta dito. Pangit. Uy! Di naman siya pinatay. Timer? Ay! Kala ko timer. WS din pala eh. Leave. I don't like you. I'm doomed. Uy! Highest player tayo. Sana all. Kala mo highest player ka. Ako naman yung may prestige. Tingnan mo naman yan. Si Viclib. Bakit gusto mo ko i-trade? Tingnan natin ano i-trade mo. B, ikaw muna. Floral. To. Ano pa? Kung gusto mo. Bigay ko sa'yo. Bigay ko na sa'yo. Bala ka. Yun na. Yaw ko niyan. Thank you. Gusto ko isa-isa lang ng yung balloons para sarap sampalin. ASMR guys, look. Bakit mo naman ako trade? Tingnan nyo ako. Boom! Galing. Hello! Wala akong after one more round, this round, after I get like the gun, show knife. Show knife. Show knife. Ay! Baka murderer talaga siya. Ikaw talaga murderer? Ikaw ba talaga? Photo.
This Roblox game got hacked. Work at a pizza place. In 2016, this game got hacked by the infamous Cool Kid. He was able to completely destroy the entire map and change the
Pati dito sa mga text magtatagalog talaga din ako. Small. Small.
Cool Kid has been banned from Roblox entirely, but he keeps coming back to hack pinball games over and over again. So who knows what's
Done.
next? This
So cold! So cold! In pain! It's so hot in here! Yes! Baby! Ooh, and kayo sa lusine. Ano ginagawa mo? Skibidi! My heart and I oh my god, I was standing still! My phone! I hit my phone!
Alam niyo ba na merong kulto na nagagalit at nagpaparamdam sa mga magjojowa? Ako
Hold on.
wala kasi akong ka-baby time eh. Siya nga si Taka Ona. At siya ang multo na nagmula sa Japan. At alam niyo ba na mahilig siyang sumilip sa mga bintana niyo? Check niyo ngayon bintana niyo, baka nakasilip
Come here.
na siya. Ayaw na ayaw niya
Hey!
makita ng magjowa na nagbe-baby time. Kasi siya
Hey! I can't kill him! I can't kill him! Did you see that my knife go through him?
ng kaya kita niyo na i-mention yung mga tropa
That
na
is
may
not the last
jowa
person.
dyan. Lagot sila.
Oh, I see you. I can't kill him! I hate glitchers these days. Oy! Come here! Please. Oy, cheater! Cheater! Yee. Yay! Hooray! Ba't mo ko trade? Ay! Bigyan natin nito at floral. Ay, ay, ay. Ayaw ko niyan. Oh my god. Ariku. Why am I saying Ariku? Oh my god, sino yun? Kukay. Arukoy. Excuse me. Of course, bro. Of course, me. Okay, guys, thank you. I swear, everyone, every PC and every rich person of this harvester, like every rich person nowadays, like bro, corrupt, bro. Bro, are you a YouTuber? Are you the new Trails, bro? Bro, this guy's rich. Harvest. Oh my god. I'm so jealous. I'm so jealous. So jealous. Wait. No. Fake gun, ninja, slight, and x-ray. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. I'm feeling cringed out. Like, the way like that I showed my face was so like cringe. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked my video, and I know what to say. It's peace. Thank you guys so much for watching, and peace everyone. Love you all. Peace. Love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like and subscribe, and peace out.